When it comes to buying life insurance, we're very often presented with many different options, most of them seeming very confusing. And when it comes time to asking the professional about which life insurance is best for you, we're very often hearing do this or that or maybe something else, and it all seems to become even more confusing than it needs to be. For the moment, let's just forget everything else that we've heard. Life insurance companies base their premiums primarily on your age. The other factors that are taken into account are your health, your gender, family history, and the amount of insurance that you wish to purchase. Looking at how life insurance premiums are arranged on a graph, every year that you grow older, your premiums would increase. So as we move through the ages of 25, 26, 27, and so forth, you can see that there would be an increase in premium. This is how life insurance companies used to price insurance, and this is called term insurance. Term insurance is no longer priced on an annual basis, but in 5, 10, and 20-year increments. Life insurance companies realized very quickly that people don't want to face a premium increase every few years, so they developed a product that had level premiums for life. This was called permanent insurance, and what it did was it took an average cost of insurance over the duration of a person's life, and the cost of the premiums were established by using that person's life expectancy. So with permanent insurance, where the premiums are higher in the earlier years than term products, the money is set aside into a reserve, where later on, once we get older, when we're paying lower premiums than we would be for the same term product, the money is then used to top up the payment. That way your payments remain equal for the rest of your life. If at some point you wish to cancel the permanent insurance, the money that was set aside inside of the reserve is then made available to you. So the question is, what type of insurance do we choose? Well, basically the insurance is exactly the same. It just depends on how you wish to pay for it over time. If the primary focus of the life insurance is to cover off expenses associated with having a young family, and you plan on canceling that life insurance later on, then term insurance is more likely the product for you, as it's going to be cheaper when you're younger. If you're looking at keeping the life insurance for life, or you wish to leave a legacy to your family, then a permanent insurance with locked-in premiums for life is more likely going to be the product for you. If we decide that we want a term life insurance policy, but later on in life decide that we wish to have a permanent life insurance policy, don't worry. Most companies allow us to convert that term life insurance policy into a permanent life insurance policy. Like so many families, the idea of taking on one more bill is not very attractive. However, the difference is that the bill associated with life insurance has the ability to pay off all other bills, and that's tax-free money that would be coming to your family at a time that they need it most. Whether it be term or permanent insurance, insurance is wonderful protection for your family. Speak to your licensed financial advisor or visit us at patentfinancialservices.com.